Hi guys, welcome to LiveICT YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about graphic and multimedia based presentation, part of graphic and multimedia syllabus presentation. Today we are going to discuss about the topic audio. This is the final topic of final module, final topic of your graphic and multimedia syllabus in HND IT semester 2. It means first year semester 2. This is the final module. What is audio? When we consider that what is audio, we know that audio is a key component of communication. It means through our ear we can give a message to our brain using audio. It is a key component of the communication. Let's see the points which we got to consider. Presence of sound greatly enhances the effect of mostly graphic presentation. Actually, when we consider a video or presentation, if there is only visual, it means only pictures and other animations, we cannot get a very good idea to our brain. But if there is also with music or any other voice cut or other sound or audio, we can get good idea. I think that there is a video with the video by explaining the work of the heart. If there is only animation or video, cannot get 100% correct idea. We can guess some things and we can get idea only through that video or animation. But it is also with the voice or audio we can get very good idea, because through it we can get good idea by combining audio and video. Therefore, it is through the audio we can get an idea effectively there, other than when we using only video or animations. This is the point which I explained before. Sound is the brain's interpretation of electrical impulses being sent by inner ear through the nervous system. In multimedia projects, you can use sound in different ways. We know that in our multimedia projects, multimedia based project, we can use sounds in different ways. It means we can add music and we can add voice and other things. This and other diagram. Sound is continuous wave that travel through air. The wave made up of pressure difference. This is the diagram related to it. Consider a wave of sound wave, sample of sound wave. This is the period. It is from this point to this point. It is a period. Amplitude. This is the max distance from zero line to this crest. In here you can find you can get an idea about how does ear work. In the students who have studied biology, they can get good idea through this. You can repair this, but I don't going to explain. This is 100% not related to IT, but if you want to additionally learn something, you can get an idea through this slide. In here I have mentioned properties of sound waves. This is the amplitude, as I mentioned before. This is the period, the gap between two crests or two truths, but it should be the x-axis should be to be this be a period. Otherwise, if this is a distance, this would be the wavelength. This is the crest, this is the true. Let's go to the detailed discussion about the properties of sound. Period. The difference between the formation of two crest peak is termed as period. As I mentioned before, frequency mean the number of periods. For frequency, the number of peaks that occurs in 1 second. This is another information. How human hearing frequency ranges, we know from our little age, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. It means 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. For audio, voice is about 500 hertz to 2 kilohertz. It means 2000 hertz. This is the wavelength. Wavelength is the distance from the midpoint of one midpoint of the next crest. It means this should be the x-axis is distance, amplitude of sound. If of the air pressure wave from it mean this is the amplitude, this point to crest or trough. Final bandwidth is the defined as difference between the highest and lowest frequency contained in the signal. We can get a bandwidth by considering the highest frequency and lowest frequency in the signal. Okay, I think now you have a good idea about basic things about sound, what is audio and properties of the sound. So till we meet again with next video, have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.